What's going on, guys? This is Zach Miller at MarineMax Fort Myers, and today we're sitting out on a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX in front of the beautiful Westin Cape Coral Resort here at Marina Village in Tarpon Point. And we're excited to announce that we're going to be holding a Sea Ray showcase event here on April 5th from 5:30 to 8:30. You're going to be able to see a huge range of 2024 Sea Ray models like the 190 SPX, the 250 SDX, the 260 SLX, the 320 and 370 Dancer, all the way up to the 400 SXO. There's going to be a boat for everyone there. It's going to be a great evening for you and your fellow boaters to get together, mingle a little bit, have some great hors d'oeuvres and some good cocktails. It's just going to be a really refreshing evening out on the water for you to get a chance to see some of these Sea Ray models up close and personal. We're going to have people from MarineMax as well as Sea Ray there. So if you have any questions, you want to get on the boat, take a look at them up close, and just have a chance to interact with these boats in person, it's going to be a great opportunity for that. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us directly, phone, email, or on social media. Go ahead and reserve your spot now for this great event. We cannot wait to see you there on April 5th.